Tesla CEO Elon Musk took a punch at Volvo while discussing security includes on the Tesla Model 3, his organization's new section-level electric auto. Amid a handover occasion at Tesla's production line in Fremont, California, Friday night, Musk demonstrated a video that he said showed next to each other clasps of a Model 3 and a 2016 Volvo S60 experiencing a similar crash test. The test is a kind of side-effect crash reproduction that mirrors an auto impacting sideways into a post at 20 miles per hour which, in this test, would ordinarily make real harm the driver's side entryway and a part of the rooftop. The video seemed to demonstrate that the Volvo S60, which accomplished a 5-star crash well-being rating in all classes as indicated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, was harmed more extremely than the Model 3. There's a great deal of autos that say they're 5-star, they are 5-star, however that is not a logical metric, Musk said. Notwithstanding something like the Volvo, extraordinary auto. By typical models, extremely sheltered. The Volvo is seemingly the second most secure auto on the planet. There was some perplexity about that test, after some web analysts proposed the Volvo S60 was smashed at a higher speed than the Model 3. In any case, the next to each other examination in the video above appears to indicate two indistinguishable side-effect post-crashes happening at 20 miles per hour as per NHTSA documentation, and Tesla affirmed in an email to Business Insider that the side-effect tests in the video were without a doubt the same. Musk has made such a correlation previously, hailing Tesla's crash well-being as the best on the planet, an announcement that has gotten the consideration of some industry veterans on the grounds that Volvos have a long-standing notoriety for security. The organization even has an arrangement to kill crash passings in its new autos by 2020.